The Department of Science and Technology has given its support to the proposed Free Wi-Fi Act that is being pushed in Congress. The measure has already been passed in the lower house. Ara Perez reports.
If being internet savvy is the game, Filipinos truly have an edge. More than the use of online games and applications to pass the time and social networking sites which keep us close to our loved ones, internet access is essential in obtaining and disseminating information. Before the end of the second regular session of the 16th Congress, the Free Wi-Fi Act was approved in a bid to grant free access for everyone in public establishments nationwide. The Department of Science and Technology supports this move.
Talagang pabor kami dyan, siyempre, and we're pushing for it. Yung talagang DOST is at the forefront itong free Wi-Fi, no? So yung through ICTO. So talagang pinupush namin na ma-put into Lotto.
Dizon said that sales of internet providers will not be affected once the bill goes to full implementation, since only commercial internet will be used.
Medyo limited bandwidth, pang ano lang talaga, basic, hindi talaga pang heavy duty na online activities, pang basic mga email siguro, mga short files din.
The Free Wi-Fi Act will be implemented once the Senate passes a similar proposal, which shall then be approved by the President of the Philippines. For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.